Thank you so much for joining us for our final game this Saturday here at the Quezon Convention Center. Magandang gabi muli sa inyong lahat. This is Javi Balanya, joined by Coach Mike Perez and Miss Gianna Lianes at courtside. We've been treated to
that these guys have, teams have been built, and the new roster guys that they brought in really should be an indication of how much compete this game is going to be.
Joseph Gabay
From the outside.
Topling Lagrama setting up the offense here for the Huskers. Vince Magbuhos has been a key addition for the Huskers this year. And Al Francis Stamsi, you know, you're just... Huskers once again in their front court. Gabayni against Hernandez. Footwork right there on point for Joseph Gabayni.
Well, twice they've run already that DHO on one
professional score on his GAB license. Y'all know why, but he misses from the outside there. Still without a basket in this game. Or the tatakja, Jodel Fuentes.
Oh, wow!
Puts more punishment on Binyan with a three-point shot.
We talked about earlier about defense being a primary stopper for the side of Binyan, as we see Carlo Lastimosa finally puncturing the hoop for Binyan. Yeah.
Halfway through the first quarter, Lastimosa, the only guy who's been able to score a bucket here in this game for Binyan. Lastimosa goes to the reverse. And there's a foul against Quezon.
Mobility nagbago with Carlo.
Simon Sandagon in the game together with Joshua Hierro and LJ Gonzalez. Jason Opiso is in there as well. LJ Gonzalez puts it in.
Well, make that 15 points. Reliant on Pamboy Raimundo and Pido.
Opiso, oh, that's his range.
Oh, yeah. Ooh! LJ's down right there.
Against Mayor Mark Alcala, Sobido receives the pass. Sobido gets past Dario. And Sobido scores!
Well, magandang matchup yan.
Pajarito wanted it. Roca Curva has it. Pulls up from 15. Yeah. Kenny Roca Curva for two.
And Opiso knew better not to touch their strength with the gifts that given them physically.
Dario gives a pass to Alcala. He can hit that. Yeah. Oh, that's Buddy from the outside. Gotta get Mayor Mark Alcala.
Forget about it. Middle roll and release nung pasa ni Gab na yun, no?
Sobido. Post entry into Pajarito. Quick spin to the baseline. Naiiwan doon si Simon Sandagon.
Right. Foot speed versus athletic when it comes to basketball.
Pajarito trying to move past JP Sarao. Methodical breakdown of the defense by Christian Pajarito.
Yeah, pasensyoso, naghanap ng paraan, at tumuloy lang kung ano nakita niya.
Dario splits the D. Checo Dario! Basket and one!
Oh man, see that?
Strong from the former Meralco ball. Take a look at this, and this definitely deserves to be the play of the game. Brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. 1xBet, your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet, and he is definitely feeling his way into this game. Diego Dario. Diego.
Yeah.
Dario goes to Magbuhos. The Huskers moving the ball from side to side. Ends with a Hierro three.
Yeah, but Coach Boyet's got at least.
Roca Curva working the two-man game with Maestre.
Oh, yes.
Maestre was free, but Roca Curva decided to go up for the shot himself. Trims the lead down to 12. Oh, Fuentes wide open. That's money for Jodel Fuentes.
When you talk about pick your poison, that side of the floor.
Yes, with a basketball, guarded by Sobido. Sarao wants it, top of the circle three.
Oh, man.
Money once again. That's another bucket from downtown for the Huskers. Chan working against the defense of Jodel Fuentes. Almost had his pocket pick. Jeff Chan hammered. He'll troop to the line for two shots.
And that took a lot out of Jeff. Respect for Jeff.
We'd like to thank LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL.
Gotta get back from it.
Sobido.
Oh, wow.
Just powering his way through the cup there.
Oh, literal naiwan doon si Topeng Lagrama.
Left screen. Maestre. Jumper. That's good.
Mike Maestre, isa sa mga solidong tumatanggap ng bola yan sa perimeter.
Fuentes. Mid-range jumper. That's bottom para kay Janelle Fuentes. And Sandagon doing some early work there on Canaleta, but Lagrama goes for the three and knocks it down. Topping Lagrama. Swishes it through. Setting up Jeff Chan on the handoff. Chan drives right and got hit there by Sandagon, two former FEU Tamarons. Jeff Chan at the line for two more. First one trickles in. And for Quezon, this free throw brought to you by the Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Gabayni. Backing down Maestre. Gabayni sweeping hook shot.
And Joseph.
Abundo hands it off to Tamsi. Tamsi for three. Oh my goodness. Quezon is just absolutely smoking from beyond the arc tonight. 9 3-pointers for the Huskers.
Talk about a 3-and-D team. That's Quezon Huskers. Written all over that.
Carlos Timosa shooting over the defense there. 6 points in the game. Pero malayo pa dito ang hinahabol ng Binyan. Quezon looking to extend.
Oh, wow.
Cabanal. Out to Tamsi. Now it's with Abundo. 9 on the shot clock. Dario.
Oh, yeah.
Rattles home another three. And the barrage continues from the outside. Taps it to the wrong guy. Rocacurva pushing. Lastimosa has one man to beat. Carlo all the way to the cup. Dario, 5 seconds. Diego still has it. Oh, dribbling violation.
Yeah.
Laban kay Diego Dario.
Good. Even the post defense, you know, ang bigat para sa Quezon.
Tamsi, oh! And the hot shooting has carried over here to start. Goes to Judel Fuentes, loses it. Suwal, one-on-one here against Fuentes, and Suwal will score.
And the hope now for Coach Boyd.
Get to the pass. A little bit too forward. Galing kay Gagey Canaleta. Sarao, the drop step, the feed to Tamsi, scores on the reverse.
It's the off-ball movement.
Every there by Gabayni. Now the Huskers on the move. Fuentes pulls for three. Yes, sir!
At some point, when your opponent is making...
Suwal from the parking lot! That shot just here.
Corner exit here for Ryan. Ooh!
Suwal.
Ooh!
No! Ryan Suwal drains a three again.
Wow.
Mundo now. Pulls it back out to Yero. Shot on the way. That looks good. Joshua Yero for three.
And those threes have been killing the momentum here.
To play here in the third quarter. Sarao left open. Three-pointer. That's long. Oh, look at Topeng Lagrama.
Topeng Lagrama.
Hero. And here he is again. Lagrama.
Good deflection.
That's a steal for Binyan. Pass to Pamboy. Raimundo will finish.
Well, the cleanest. Got another chance here.
Oh, quick pass. Great
There you
heads up
go.
play. Sobido finding J-Mar Gimpayan.
And you just love that Renzo Sobido did not...
Someone to pass to. He goes to Sobido. Sobido back to Gimpayan. J-Mar on the reverse.
Yeah.
Pretty finish for J-Mar Gimpayan.
Gamit ng bilis ng contort his body to finish underneath.
64 to 54. 10 na lang to. Oh, backdoor. Dario able to score.
And everybody's overplaying.
On the right side, back to Tamsi. Gets a step on Rocacurva. Tamsi, emergency pass out. Fuentes, rise and fire! Another three para kay Jodel Fuentes. Rocacurva against Tamsi. Kick out, Raimundo. Three-pointer.
Oh, yeah.
Kunti ka pang iluwa. Pushing. Sobido, the extra pass to Pamboy. Raimundo, floater.
Good.
Pamboy Raimundo.
2 points para kay Pamboy Raimundo. 9 in the game. Nakakalipas dito sa ating huling yugto. Lagrama cuts. Dempsey.
Oh, man.
Try to meet the ball. What a fake there on the handoff by Simon Sandagon.
I know.
Quarterbacking here for the Huskers. One of the top scorers here in this game. Diego Dario with the left hand.
The screeners of the Huskers have done a good job.
Dario gets the step on Raimundo. Dempsey.
Oh.
And that just might do it here.
Yeah. In a game.
Raimundo for 3. Raimundo knocks it down to make it. Quezon breaks the press easily. Oh, but Lastimosa gets in the way. Carlo hangs and scores. 77-64 to Banal. Diego has it back. Dario bounce pass. What a find to Al Francis Dempsey.
That corner basket cut soon as it, and you play really good defense. Assists 26-12.
You guys scoring in double figures sa laro na to. Our player of the game, Coach Yerbic, was Jadel Fuentes.
Yeah. Well, we did like how Diego Dario controlled the game, but the fluid shooting of Jadel Fuentes, making himself available, trying to secure those runs para dito sa Quezon Huskers. And every time that Biñan tries to come back, Jadel gives them an answer.
Our best 79-64 is our final score. The Huskers win their 3rd straight victory